San Antonio same-sex divorce lawyer. The recognition of same-sex marriage in 2015 through the landmark Obergefell v. Hodges Supreme Court ruling marked a turning point in family law across the United States, including Texas. Despite this progress, navigating a same-sex divorce in San Antonio still comes with unique legal considerations. These nuances make legal representation essential to protecting your rights and ensuring a fair process. The legal landscape for same-sex marriage and divorce in Texas grants LGBTQ+ couples the same rights and responsibilities as opposite-sex couples. This means same-sex divorce cases adhere to the same statutes governing property division, child custody, spousal support, and residency requirements. However, issues can arise from property or assets acquired before the recognition of same-sex marriage. Texas community property laws further complicate matters, as any property or debt obtained during the marriage is presumed to be jointly owned and must be divided equitably. To address these complexities, attorneys play a crucial role in guiding clients through the system while safeguarding their interests. How San Antonio courts handle same-sex divorce cases. San Antonio courts apply the same legal frameworks to same-sex divorces as they do for opposite-sex cases. Judges are bound to enforce fairness under Texas law, ensuring that personal biases do not influence decisions. Despite this equitable approach, same-sex couples often face challenges specific to their circumstances. For example, disputes may arise over assets acquired before marriage due to the delayed legal recognition of their unions. Furthermore, child custody matters can become intricate when non-biological parents need to establish legal parentage. In these cases, having skilled legal representation is critical. Lawyers familiar with Texas family law and LGBTQ+ legal issues can help navigate these challenges effectively. This includes tracing assets, determining community versus separate property, and securing parental rights in custody disputes. Attorneys experienced in same-sex divorce cases are invaluable for protecting rights and achieving resolutions tailored to the needs of LGBTQ+ families. The process of same-sex divorce in Texas. The divorce process for same-sex couples in San Antonio mirrors that of opposite-sex couples, starting with residency requirements. At least one spouse must have lived in Texas for 6 months and in the county where the divorce is filed for at least 90 days. Once these criteria are met, the process typically involves filing the divorce petition. The legal process begins with one spouse filing a petition outlining the grounds for divorce. Texas allows for no-fault divorces, which means citing irreconcilable differences is sufficient. Division of assets and debts. Following Texas community property laws, property acquired during the marriage is divided equitably. However, determining ownership can be complicated when assets were commingled before marriage was legally recognized. Child custody and support. Courts prioritize the best interests of the child when determining custody and support. For LGBTQ+ couples, establishing parentage might involve additional legal steps, like second parent adoption or securing a parentage order. Resolution through mediation or litigation. Many cases resolve through mediation, which allows both parties to reach agreements outside of court. If disputes persist, the case proceeds to litigation, where the court makes binding decisions. Legal guidance throughout this process ensures that every decision aligns with Texas statutes and protects your long-term interests. For same-sex couples, an experienced law firm like Family Matters law firm PLLC can provide vital support. Their skilled attorneys are prepared to handle the unique aspects of these cases, offering personalized strategies tailored to each client's circumstances. Call Family Matters law firm PLLC at 210-997-2914 or visit their office at 926 Chulie Drive, San Antonio, Texas 78216 to schedule your consultation.